Hi, my name is Constancia with Isidora Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute scarf. And thanks to Big Z Fabric for providing us with this wonderful fabric. Ooh, it's a little chilly. I think I need a scarf. So here is the scarf opened, and it's a really long piece. And the piece you will need to cut is 42 inches long, 8.5 inches wide. And then you fold it, and so that will look like this. And if you want this part to be wider, you can just add it to the width. If you want it wider, instead of 8.5, you 9.5 or 10.5. So what we're going to do first is we're going to sew two sides only. So we're going to sew this side, we're going to sew all the way up to here, and then we're going to turn it inside out. Okay, so I sewed it on three sides, and I reversed it. Okay, so we have a stitch here, stitch here. This is where we pulled it through. So what we're going to do is make this a clean finish. We're going to fold that in. We're going to stitch it across. Okay. And we're going to fold it about 4 inches. You know, get a ruler and I'll measure it. 4 inches. Let's see here. 4.5, so we want to go 4. Okay. So first you want to stitch this shut, and then we're going to stitch this down to here. So we're going to create the loop. So now it's complete. I made the loop. See you next time.